Cornices tilt corners. Ancient building construction skills. Making tile corners on the basis of completed wooden structures. The foundation of the corner should be made first. Bottom tile. Butterfly tile. Lace tile. Gava. Cat Street tile, mouse tile. The corrugated slope is uniform, and the two sides are symmetrical and unified. The masonry of the pedestal is completed. Blue bricks are used to lay rollers and lay second-wave blue bricks. The angle is curved, and the height of each brick must be strictly controlled. Masonry second row tiles above blue bricks. Place the first pick. Masonry second row tiles. Place the second pick. Masonry cover cylinder, installation hook tile. Corner forming, painting its structure. The angle structure is completed. Painting the body. Use a tool to pull out the shape of the tile strip cross seam. Use a tool to pull out the shape of the roller. Repeated dressing of Jonesy seam and two-way roller. Consistent width, clear lines, smooth curvature, same size. Brush black water, trace white. The waterwork is completed.